Spending 24 hours in one of the most dangerous deserts in the world, alongside the United States Marines and their powerful M777 howitzer, provided a first-hand look into the intricacies of modern artillery. The M777, a formidable weapon, continuously fired rounds under the scorching sun and throughout the night, illuminating the darkness with parachute flares and high-powered explosives. This experience unveiled a vast array of specialized tools and gear designed for precision and efficiency. The process of preparing different types of ammunition, the careful handling of the massive shells, and the unique techniques used to lift and transport them all contribute to the seamless operation of this weapon. The logistics of moving the cannon, the procedures for assembling and operating it safely, and the strategic methods used to ensure accuracy all play a critical role in effective deployment. Artillery operations involve a meticulous balance of science and skill. The inclusion of a hidden thermometer in propellant charges allows for temperature adjustments that can influence accuracy. The ability to program artillery shells to avoid friendly fire is another layer of advanced technology integrated into modern warfare. Even the seemingly simple act of pulling the trigger is subject to variables, such as the length of the lanyard, which can change based on the situation. Factors like air temperature and humidity also affect the trajectory of shells, explaining why rounds may travel shorter distances at night compared to the daytime. The M777 produces an extreme level of noise.
Fire! Yeah, baby!
Reaching up to 183 decibels near the muzzle. This intensity is enough to cause permanent hearing damage, which is why Marines use specialized hearing protection called peltons. Unlike traditional earplugs, these devices filter out the deafening blast while allowing clear communication between crew members, ensuring operational efficiency and safety. The transportation of the M777 is a logistical challenge. While it can be rapidly deployed via helicopters such as the CH-53 or the Osprey tiltrotor, it is most commonly towed by large trucks. Once at the designated site, a scout determines the optimal location for placement, and the crew works efficiently to position the howitzer. Digging deep holes for the gun's legs prevents unwanted movement upon firing. Camouflage nets provide shade and concealment, but also serve a crucial function in maintaining consistent temperatures for ammunition and charges. Temperature control of both the propellant charges and artillery shells is vital for maintaining accuracy. A heated shell expands, which could cause jamming, while a cold charge burns at a slower rate, affecting projectile velocity. The Fire Control Center constantly monitors these conditions and adjusts calculations to compensate. The built-in muzzle velocity sensor on the M777 provides real-time data to further refine targeting precision. Survival in the desert requires preparation and knowledge. Extreme heat, dangerous wildlife such as scorpions and rattlesnakes, and the presence of unexploded ordnance pose constant risks. Marines are trained in essential survival techniques, including staying hydrated, avoiding shaded areas where animals may seek refuge, and refraining from picking up any suspicious metal objects that could be hazardous. Ammunition comes in different forms, each serving a unique purpose. High explosive shells are used to destroy targets, illuminating flares light up the battlefield, and white phosphorus rounds generate smoke or incendiary effects. Each shell weighs over 100 pounds and must be handled with precision. Ammunition trucks transport these rounds under strict regulations, ensuring that volatile substances such as white phosphorus are kept separate from other types of explosives. Fuses play a crucial role in determining how and when a projectile detonates. Percussion fuses trigger on impact, while timed fuses detonate after a preset duration. Modern technology allows Marines to program fuses electronically using an induction-based artillery fuse setter, ensuring accuracy in different combat scenarios. Firing the M777 is a coordinated effort. The gunner and assistant use manual cranks to adjust elevation and direction. Once the target is locked in, a Marine loads the round, followed by the necessary propellant charges. The breech is then sealed, and the firing lanyard is attached. Upon receiving the command, the cord is pulled, sending the round hurtling toward its target. After each shot, the barrel is cleaned to prevent overheating and carbon buildup, maintaining the weapon's operational readiness. Accuracy depends on multiple factors, including distance and the type of fuses used. At 15 kilometers, a standard artillery shell has a margin of error of up to 95 meters, but precision-guided fuses, such as the M1156 PGK, significantly reduce this deviation. These fuses allow for course correction mid-flight, drastically improving targeting efficiency while minimizing collateral damage. During night operations, illuminating flares provide visibility. These flares, equipped with parachutes, slowly descend while casting bright light over the battlefield. Nighttime firing presents additional challenges due to temperature changes affecting projectile velocity and range. Cooler air increases drag, and lower temperatures slow the burn rate of propellant charges, requiring careful adjustments and calculations. Maintaining the M777 is essential for its longevity and performance. The gun breech and barrel are subject to wear over time, with the barrel typically being replaced every few thousand rounds. In high-intensity conflict zones, some crews have reported changing barrels multiple times within short periods due to extensive use. Overheating remains a primary concern, and a built-in heat warning device ensures that the weapon is not pushed beyond safe limits. Training at 29 Palms provides Marines with realistic combat scenarios, reinforcing their ability to operate under harsh conditions. The site serves as a training ground not only for U.S. forces but also for allied nations seeking to refine their artillery skills. The experience gained in these exercises directly translates to battlefield effectiveness, ensuring that crews are prepared for real-world engagements. Artillery is a field where precision, discipline, and teamwork are essential. Every aspect, from the transport and setup of the M777 to the careful handling of ammunition and the execution of fire missions, requires coordination and expertise. The knowledge and skills acquired through rigorous training ensure that Marines can operate effectively in any environment, making artillery one of the most formidable assets on the battlefield.